Hello. Here we are for another educational video. This time we're going to look at how to diagram a sentence with a direct object. Last time we looked at a sentence with a direct object. We looked at this sentence. The child grabbed the toy from his brother. Notice the major parts of the sentence have been labeled for us already. The subject noun is child. The verb is grabbed. The direct object is toy, and the prepositional phrase is from his brother, with from being the preposition and brother being the object of the preposition. Very good. Okay. Now, when we diagram this sentence, we start with a frame that includes a place for every part of the sentence to be placed on. And in this particular sentence's case, this is what the diagram frame would look like. Notice, please, this line right here. That's the dividing line. Everything over here belongs to the verb. Everything over here belongs to the subject. Now, when my students start diagramming these complete sentences, I will provide them with the diagram frames already drawn. So that cuts down on the initial amount of confusion. The students can focus more on the major parts of the sentence themselves and then see how that fits the diagram already provided for them. So now let's look at this again. We have our subject goes over here. Anything that modifies the subject, for example, adjectives or articles, goes underneath the subject on a slanted line. Then we have the verb. And anything that modifies the verb, such as adverbs, or in this case, a prepositional phrase, goes underneath. And then way over here on this side, we have the direct object with its modifiers. Now notice the line for the direct object does not go all the way through. It's a vertical line perpendicular to the base. That's important, believe it or not. Now, the diagram for the prepositional phrase, the preposition goes on the diagonal. The object of the preposition goes on the horizontal, and then since prepositional objects are nouns or pronouns, they can also have modifiers, which are adjectives. So we needed, in this case, we need a diagonal for that as well. When all of the parts of the sentence are placed on the diagram where they go, it would look like this. The child grabbed the toy from his brother, or the child grabbed from his brother the toy. Prepositional phrases are flexible. They can go pretty much anywhere in a sentence. Notice, please, that every word in the sentence is on the diagram. This can be a little confusing at first, but experience has shown me that given time and sufficient practice, diagramming sentences not only improves students' abilities to use words in relationship to each other, but it also improves their reading comprehension for more complex sentences where it might not be immediately apparent how all the parts of the sentence fit together. So here's the sample diagram. Leave that up there for a little bit longer. Sample diagram. And then our sample sentence. So, sample sentence, and then, through the magic of grammar, it transforms into this very scientific-looking diagram. Isn't that wonderful? We will be diagramming sentences this coming week, first full week of school in December. And I guess that's it for now. I'll see you again in another video sometime soon. Have fun.